Hello everyone, this is Emma from CEMS-Global. I was from Bangladesh working for 3 years over.
Hi, I'm Vishal. I'm from Better Cotton, and Better Cotton is the largest cotton sustainability program in the world.
Hello, I'm Aaron. I'm from Kunshan Shangshan Tex, and we are a fabric manufacturer in China.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm from China. My company name is Jiaxing Longying Fabric. So I'm come to here because I have 12 years experience with doing Bangladesh market.
And my many items is denim. And many thanks for the showing, because from the show I come to know many of the suppliers, many of the customers.
First time I know this market by attending this fair.
Hello everyone, it's Lin from Jiangsu Kangyang Group. We are one of the major dyeing and printing factories in China, and we have been in this Bangladesh market for almost 20 years. This is actually for me the third time to visit the Bangladesh market. We feel that this market is really very big and potential market, and from this fair we already met some old and new friends.
Now our company have the plan to make the garment in here and also building the new dyeing factory in here.
And also I thinking this is a very good market. I think everybody will enjoy it here.